30 days ago, I was broke. No skills, no clients, no experience, just a laptop. And a big motivation to change my life. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I went from zero skills to making my first online income in just 30 days. Step by step, no fake promises, no magic tricks, just real things anyone can do. Let's start with day 1. The first thing I realized is this: you don't need to be an expert. You just need a skill that solves a problem for someone. So for the first 3 days, I did something simple. I tested 5 fast learning skills using YouTube and AI tools. I tried logo design, basic video editing, writing social media captions, creating AI voiceovers, and building simple websites. And guess what? AI made all of them so much easier. You don't need to be some creative genius or have years of hidden talent. You just need to know how to use the tools that are available to everyone right now. It was all about finding the path of least resistance. I watched a few tutorials, played around with some free software, and got a feel for what I could realistically learn and offer in a short amount of time. It wasn't about mastering anything, it was about finding something that clicked. After experimenting for a few days, I had to make a choice. I picked the one skill I felt I could learn the fastest: AI video generation. Why? Because it's a massive trend right now. Every business wants short, punchy videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, but most don't have the time or knowledge to make them. In just 7 days, I dove deep. I learned how to write a simple script that grabs attention, how to use CapCut for quick and easy edits, how to generate AI voices that sound surprisingly natural, and how to put it all together to make fast, engaging edits. By the end of that first week, I wasn't an expert, not even close, but I was ready. I had a service to offer, not perfect, but definitely good enough to get paid. To get clients, you need to show them what you can do. You don't need a resume full of experience, you just need examples. So, I spent the next 4 days creating a mini portfolio, and I did it all with AI. I didn't own a camera, I didn't have a professional microphone, and I certainly didn't have any expensive software. I just used free tools to create 3 short promotional videos, 2 motivational style videos, and 1 product video mock-up. I made them look as professional as I could, and then uploaded them everywhere. I put them on TikTok and Instagram to show they were ready for social media, and I organized them all in a simple Google Drive folder that I could share with a link. This portfolio was my proof of concept. Now comes the part that scares most people off: actually finding clients. But here's the thing: 15 days ago, I had 0 skills. I had absolutely nothing to lose, so I just went for it. I started contacting small businesses online. I looked for local restaurants, online clothing brands, gyms, real estate agents, and e-commerce shops. Anyone who had a social media presence but wasn't posting a lot of video content. My message was super simple and direct: I can make you short, engaging videos for your social media. Here are some samples of my work. I'll do your first video completely free, no long sales pitch, just a straightforward offer. And out of the 30 messages I sent, 5 people actually replied. And from those 5, 3 said yes. That was the start. The next 5 days were the hardest, but they were also the most rewarding. I was actually creating videos for real clients. I was using the same AI and free tools that I had only learned how to use 2 weeks ago. It was a little nerve-wracking, I'll admit. I delivered a promo reel for the gym, a short ad for the clothing brand, and a dynamic video showcasing a restaurant's menu. I put everything I learned into practice. I used CapCut, Canva, and a handful of free AI tools to make everything look good. The best part: the clients were genuinely impressed. The videos looked professional, clean, and modern, even though I was still a complete beginner just figuring things out. Then, on day 21, it happened. I received my first payment, $25. It doesn't sound like a lot of money, but honestly, it felt like $1 million. It was real. It was proof that this whole idea actually worked. 2 days later, on day 23, I closed my second client for $50. Then on day 25, another client paid me $40 for a video. Slowly but surely, the numbers started to add up. And by this point, I had a huge realization: people will pay you for solving their problems. They don't care if you have 10 years of experience or a fancy degree. they care about the result. If you can deliver something that helps their business, they will happily pay for it. With only a few days left in the month, I wanted to see if I could scale this up. I had a process that worked, but it was still taking me a decent amount of time. So, I leaned even heavier into AI to speed up my entire workflow. I started using AI to write my video scripts, taking my clients' basic ideas and turning them into compelling stories. I used AI to generate all my voiceovers, which saved me hours. I even found AI tools that helped me edit faster, find trending music that was safe to use, and even brainstorm better video ideas based on what was performing well online. What used to take me 2 hours to complete, I could now get done in just 15 minutes. It was a total game changer, so, by the end of day 30, here's the final tally. I made $25 from my first client, $50 from the second, and $40 from the third. Plus, I had just landed 2 new clients who each paid me $30 for their first video. The grand total was $175 in 30 days. Now, I know that's not quit your job money. But it was life-changing for me because it proved the concept. It showed me that this was real, and more importantly, it gave me a foundation that I know I can grow. It was the start of something new. If you're watching this and wondering if you can start from zero, the answer is yes, you absolutely can. I'm not special. I don't have any unique advantages, I just started. If you have a phone, a laptop, and an internet connection, you have everything you need to do the exact same thing. So start today. Pick one skill that businesses need. Use AI to learn it and speed up your process. Create a few samples to show what you can do. Reach out to businesses with a simple, valuable offer, and most importantly, don't stop. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more.